Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to clear the Windows update cache in Windows 11. So, first is we have to stop Windows update services and before you can delete the cache. So click to start and type CMD and then right click to run as administrator. Okay, and then type this command net stop and WA users and then hit enter. After that you can see it's update stopping the service. Okay, and then second one this one. Okay, okay, and then third this and then hit enter. Okay, and then minimize it. Then next click to start and then type run. Okay, open it and then type this. Okay, and then click to OK. After that it will open it, but if you are trouble in typing, so you can over click to go to file explorer and then go to C drive, then C drive, then Windows and then press yes for software distributions. It will come it. Okay, system distributions, it will come like this. Okay, and then you have to select all three older one and this is also, it will delete it. I show you one thing. It's do not select current date because you can see it's going on. This is older one. Okay, so select older one, and this is not required because of this is old and select to delete it. After that it will ask you want to delete permanently, and yes, because of this is not your data, this is Windows update caches in older one, and then click to yes. After that it will clean 14 GB. Oh my god. Then it is completed, and then need to restart your system and then please check it guys. Thank you. Services, so open this and then net start and then hit enter. Okay, and then same again the second one also, bit start and then hit enter, and if it is starting, then it is started, then second start crypto also, and then close it, then restart guys. Thank you.